Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. We totally cleanse the seed of samsara. Then the letter for our brilliance blazes in light. Our circle melts into the absence of any true nature. The holder of the indestructible hum has 5 aspects. Self-originating awareness is a dominion of happiness. The supreme bliss that we taste together is perfected in our waters. We melt into the heart essence of wisdom itself. We know that this is our own place. We abide by the way of the 4 causes. All of us blaze in light while our circle abides in the bodhicitta. Our first manifestations will be double. We are in the abode of the purity of the world. We work to pervade what is below us. This is a center. In the way that the string of letters spins and the string of consonants wings the center, we remain still while embracing our 2 shoulders. We are totally connected in our bodies, speech, and minds. Our methods and wisdom are a non-dual light. We have come into the pathway of the supreme secrets. We work to spin around as if we were wheels. We emerge and then we blaze through the above and the below. We blaze upward and we range downward. The borders of our circle gradually join. We penetrate the target of great bliss. We use the 8 and the 16 transfers to take in our learning. We attain a warmth that is sure. Then we shake. We are dust. Our hairs stand on end. We stop speaking. Our complexion is clear. Our radiance is good. The cavities for our nerves are clear like the sky. Our wisdom is pervasively encompassing. It is the all-good. We see what it means to have no center or boundary. Our heart essence is clearly without any true nature. Then the uncontrived is born into its own blazing. The thing we must attain is ourselves. We are realized. We have no rewards that are to be spontaneously realized.